Hello again, it is me, Lauren, the modern day hypnosis ambassador. You know that everything is in your mind, right? Well, join me for a free workshop, free hypnosis. I will help you understand that manual for how to use your own mind, or you can get the self-applied hypnosis toolkit, or you can train in hypnosis, or you can read my book, The Brilliance of Imagination, so that you can illuminate any story that you want to change because you are already using hypnosis in your mind, or hypnosis already is happening in your mind. Learn to use it with effectiveness. You can change your brain. You can change any story. You can reprogram your mind. You can rewire your mind. You can change habits, beliefs, behaviors, responses, addictions. You can make changes, real changes, quickly. Join me for a free workshop or go ahead and get the toolbox.